Hi everyone, and welcome to this revision video on the Introduction to Psychology of the Individual for the Stage 2 Psychology course. Let's get started. Okay, so this is just an introductory video into the basics of this topic. So the main focus of this topic is on the concept of personality. And as we've discussed the biopsychosocial model extensively already in this course, it's worth mentioning and it's important to remember that the concept of personality fits into the psychological of the biopsychosocial model. However, as we have also discussed, we know that the biopsychosocial model affects each other. So that means that many different areas and many different aspects from the social and the biological can affect the psychological. So what that means is that there are a lot of different factors of the biopsychosocial model that may affect personality. So biological factors can affect personality and social factors can affect personality just as much as the psychological does. So the study of personality includes the study of personas, social masks, and public image that people try and project. So just as no two sets of fingerprints are the same, no personality is identical to another. And this, for psychology and psychologists, can make it tricky to measure it effectively and accurately. But we'll talk more about that once we go along further in this topic. So our personality we do know, our personality can affect our goals, how we feel, how we act, and how we see ourselves and other people. So in psychology, personality is really one of the biggest grey areas. There's not a lot that's very objective or factual. So the main focus of this topic is really looking at three theories of personality. So we look at those, we look at how personality is assessed, and we also look at personality disorders and how they're diagnosed, and also just the validity and reliability issues of this whole area of psychology in trying to determine, measure, and predict personality. Okay, so let's go through the basic definition of personality. So it refers to the characteristics of feelings, cognitions, and behaviors that make each of us unique, all of which can be shaped in response to biological and environmental factors. So as I said before, in terms of the biopsychosocial model, yes, it fits into the psychological. However, it can be shaped and it can be influenced by biological factors and environmental or social factors. We also know that personality can change. It does take a long time, but personality can be changed and shaped over many, many years. So this definition helps to explain individual differences, and personality helps to explain individual differences in behavior, including engagement in crime, job performance, or health outcomes. So personality can really be an influence in these areas and also many more areas, but particularly in crime. Those of you that did Year 11 psychology with me will know that certain personality types are more likely to commit crime. Job performance in terms of traits such as conscientiousness and determination and so on. And of course, health outcomes. So people who tend to be more neurotic or stress out more don't live as long because they're putting their body under more amounts of stress because of their personality. So all of the theories that we're going to look at agree that personality is not quickly or easily changed, like I said before, and remain stable for an extended period of time. So yes, they can change, but not quickly. So it is a time-consuming process if personalities change at all. Now, like I said before, there's still a lot of unknowns in personality research due to its subjectivity. It's very subject to bias and personal interpretation. So several theories have been developed to try and understand it, explain it, and apply it. And in this particular topic, we look at three theories: the psychodynamic, the humanistic, and the trait. But what we've gone through so far in this video is just the basics of what psychology of the individual is all about, the main focus being personality. It's very subjective, and what we do know in general regarding personality. So in my other videos, I'm going to go into detail the three theories, plus how we measure personality, and of course, personality disorders. So that's it for this basic introduction revision video of psychology of the individual. Any questions, you know what to do. Email me or come see me. See ya. Bye-bye.